I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A ridge of high pressure currently anchor from Southern California to the Southern Plains, keeping our forecast dry the next 7 days. After highs this afternoon in the mid to upper 70s and some lighter winds, a cold front dropping south tomorrow results in highs ranging from the low 80s in northern Nebraska to the mid 90s over northern Kansas. Critical fire weather conditions likely tomorrow with gusty winds, low humidity, and summer-like temperatures. The fire threat is reduced on Sunday, though, when winds are lighter. Behind that cold front, highs Sunday and Monday cool back to the mid-70s to the low 80s. Highs climbing back into the 80s for Tuesday through Thursday. Elevated fire weather concerns remain in place all the way through Thursday. Checking our long-term forecast, temperatures in Nebraska, Kansas, along with the central and western U.S., very likely to remain warmer than normal Wednesday through October 17th. Rainfall stays below normal Wednesday through October 17th in Nebraska, Kansas, along with the central and eastern U.S. Some possible hope for moisture down the line. Slightly above normal precipitation is predicted from Utah back to California the middle of next week through October 17th. Key weather factors influencing the markets include dry weather across much of the U.S. and improving rain chances for Argentina and central Brazil. Dry and windy weather prevails into the weekend across parts of the western and central U.S., leading to an elevated fire threat as far east as the western Corn Belt and as far south as central sections of the Rockies and Plains. Much of the U.S. experiences near or above normal temperatures. A brief shot of cool air arrives early next week across the Midwest and Northeast. Rain is scarce the next 5 days, with meaningful amounts likely limited to the Northeast, Pacific Northwest, and Florida. For the Midwest and Plains, the dry weather favors harvest and field work, but is holding back winter wheat establishment. Towards the central and southern plains, the next chance of rain may arrive by next weekend at the earliest, but that chance looks spotty at best and mostly to the south. Tropical development over the Gulf of Mexico could be curbed by the arrival of a cold front. The front and tropical moisture should result in rain lingering into next week across the peninsula of Florida. Central Brazil's rain chances stay spotty into much of next week, while southern Brazil continues to see better rainfall. Improved rain chances may make it deeper into central Brazil late next week, possibly resulting in more widespread soybean planting. Argentina is still mostly dry, delaying the corn planting for western areas and causing some to abandon the winter wheat. Far southern and eastern Argentina is in better shape. Rain Sunday for northern Argentina could produce more widespread rain early next week. Predictions, though, are backing off on the chance of heavier rain for southwest Argentina. That's in the deepest drought. That lack of rain in Argentina may also delay soybean planting next month. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.